One student, no savings, no connections, no plan. 12 months later, he can earn $1 by doing all these things I'm going to describe in this video. 7 side hustles. Most people have never heard of them, but in 2026, students are using them to grow faster than anyone expected. If you want to know what those 7 hustles are, stay until the end. And if content like this helps you, subscribe. It genuinely means a lot. Let's start. Here's what is happening right now. AI replaced some jobs. The cost of living went up, and traditional part-time work pays less than ever before. Students are stuck. But something else also happened. The internet created gaps. Gaps that students, young, creative, and fast learning, are filling faster than anyone else. The 7 side hustles, fast growth path. Hustle number 1, selling AI prompts. A prompt is a short instruction you give to an AI tool like ChatGPT or Midjourney. The right prompt produces amazing results. People pay for that. Platforms like PromptBase, Etsy, and Gumroad let you list and sell prompts instantly. A student in Indonesia started with 5 prompts. Within 60 days, she had 200 sales. You do not need coding skills. You do not need money to start. You need curiosity and 2 to 3 hours a week to test and improve. Hustle number 2, faceless YouTube channels. You never appear on camera. You never speak if you do not want to. You just create content around one topic and post consistently. Students are picking niches like weird science facts, dark history, or calm study music. They use free tools, CapCut, Canva, 11 Labs for AI voice, and upload 1 video per week. Some channels hit YouTube monetization in under 90 days. After that, the videos earn money every single day, even while the student sleeps. Hustle number 3, Notion templates. Notion is a free productivity app used by millions of students, freelancers, and small business owners worldwide. Most of them want beautiful setups, but do not know how to build them. Students build these templates once, then list them on Gumroad or Etsy for $10 to $50 each. One good template, sold 500 times, is $25,000. Hustle number 4, becoming a content creator for local businesses. Small shops, cafes, salons, and restaurants all need Instagram and TikTok content. Most cannot afford big agencies. You offer to shoot and edit short videos for them. You charge $50 to $200 per session. No professional camera needed, just a modern phone and basic editing skills. Hustle number 5, niche online tutoring. Not math, not basic English. Think SAT essay coaching, Minecraft design for kids, Excel for small business owners, social media for seniors. The more specific your skill, the more you can charge. On platforms like SuperProf, Preply, or even through Instagram, students are earning $15 to $70 per hour. Hustle number 6, thrift reselling, but smarter. In 2026, AI apps can scan a product and tell you its resale value in seconds. Students use this to find hidden gems in thrift stores before anyone else. They buy it for $3, they list it on Depop, Vinted, or eBay. They sell it for $60 to $80. With 10 to 15 finds per week, the income adds up fast. Hustle number 7, micro SaaS. A micro SaaS is a tiny software product. It solves one very small, very specific problem, and people pay a small monthly fee to use it. One student built a browser extension that auto-organizes research tabs for students. He charged $4 a month. Within 8 months, he had 3,000 users. That is $12,000 a month. You do not need to be a computer science genius. Simple tools built with no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide are enough to start. The idea matters more than the code. 7 ways, 1 decision, your move. Now, Not everyone agrees these paths are fast or easy. Some experts argue that most students try these for 2 weeks, see no results, and quit. The failure rate is real. Others suggest that the students who grow fast are not the most talented. They are simply the most consistent. They show up every day for 60 to 90 days, even with no results. It is not fully clear yet which of these 7 will dominate in late 2026. AI is evolving fast. Platforms change their rules. What works today may look different in 6 months. That is the honest truth. Behind these numbers are real students. A girl in Nairobi who stopped skipping meals because she could not afford food. A boy in Lahore who bought his mother a fan with his first earnings. These hustles do not just build income, they build something bigger, the belief that you can create value from nothing. That belief changes everything about how a person moves through the world. Let me bring it together quickly. 7 hustles: AI prompt selling, faceless YouTube, Notion templates, local content creation, niche tutoring, AI-assisted thrift reselling, and micro SaaS tools. Some of these need zero money to start. Some need 1 week of learning. All of them need one thing that no platform can give you: the decision to actually begin. You watched until the end. That already separates you from most people. Most people scroll past. You stayed. Use that same energy when you start your hustle. Pick one hustle from today's video, just one. Spend the next 7 days learning everything about it. Do not jump between all 7. One focused week is worth more than 7 scattered months. If this video gave you even one useful idea, a like takes 1 second. Drop a comment telling me which hustle you are starting. I read every single one. Everything shared today is based on real trends from 2025 and 2026. Results always depend on your effort, your consistency, and your market. No guarantees, only possibilities. What you do with them is entirely up to you.